Ever heard of the Galápagos Islands? This mysterious archipelago, located in the Pacific Ocean, is famous for its unique wildlife. The islands are home to species found nowhere else on Earth, like the giant tortoises and marine iguanas. Charles Darwin's visit to the Galápagos in 1835 inspired his theory of evolution by natural selection. The island's isolation has led to incredible biodiversity. Volcanic activity formed the islands millions of years ago, and they continue to evolve. Today, the Galápagos are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting scientists and tourists alike. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.